Hey guys, today I got Cambodian food. I just came from temple and this is that chicken wing and this called out sausage. It's very yummy. The chicken skewer, they all grill and I got this is my super yummy snacks. Crispy young mango, pickle mango and a plum. And balut, I got it from Cambodian market, and I got some steamed peanut and pickled papaya and a papaya salad. It's really good and I do recommend this one if you want to try this chicken wing. They have like an ingredient Cambodian herb inside that, which is very yummy, and I will try this one for you. I'm gonna use my hand. This one is like fermented papaya salad with, I think it's fish or maybe shrimp. It's a little salty, but you're supposed to eat that with the rice. Very crispy. You hear that? Let me try this one for you guys. Young mango. Pickle young mango. Crispy. Sweet and sour. And this is a plum. I think it's even fermented it. I'll pickle it. Sour, nice. Thank you guys for watching and happy Cambodian New Year.